Hey guys, this is me doing a Rocker BMX check. Yep, I've pretty much got the world's smallest bike, I should say. If you know what a Rocker BMX is, put in the comments down below. So yep, this is my Rocker. Yep, right there, the pedals, they're fine. My handlebars, they are fine. The wheels, they need pumping up a bit, but yeah, apart from that, BMX is fine. Just there I've got my seat. Look at this, the seat's like dead comfy. And look at the wheels. They need pumping up. So, and yep, this is my Rocker. Handlebars are massive. Look at the handlebars, they're massive. They're bigger than my actual BMXs. Look at it, it's massive. I have the tiny tailor, and yep, I might be taking it to a skate park. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my Rocker BMX check. See ya.